Looking at your money tonight, tax season is here and millions of people in the U.S. are getting ready to file income tax returns, but the thought of doing it can be daunting. ABC 22's Sam Israel spoke with tax professionals to get some tips worth keeping in mind.
Many dread filing their taxes, but according to accountants, that doesn't have to be the case.
A lot of people think of tax season as kind of an annoyance or a nuisance, and they put things off till tax day. But the truth of the matter is, it's many people's largest single payday of the year.
Last year, 2/3 of filers nationwide had money returned back to their pockets through tax refunds, with refunds averaging in the $3,000 range. Accountants say leaving things to the last minute is one of the biggest mistakes people make.
People think they're the only ones that haven't filed yet. It's a mess.
If you have questions, it's hard to come up with those answers and documentation at the last minute. And then you might rush around and leave some benefits off your tax return.
Burlington accountant Morton Bostock says younger folks are more susceptible to missing out on ways to save.
Sons and daughters doing their own taxes, claiming themselves when their parents could be claiming them, earning more money on earned income credit. Have you done yours yet?
I believe I fall under my parents still, so I'm going to have them claim me.
Very good.
Every year brings new tax laws and rules, and this year, many benefits that filers have enjoyed in years past have disappeared.
Tax credits for children, earned income credits for single, dependent care credit, the ability to take a charitable donation even if you don't itemize. All of those expired at the end of December last year.
This year, accountants have been keying in on virtual currencies like Bitcoin.
I had 4 people yesterday dealing in virtual currency, and none of them are showing any income. A lot of them are showing losses.
Accountants recommend using a trusted professional.
The IRS is not in the business of making sure you get all your benefits or you get your biggest refund. You either put those benefits on your tax return or they stay off and are left off forever. We did invent cowboys and space exploration. You should at least have a tax pro in your contact list, and you should at least visit them, every couple of years to review your stuff.
If you choose to see an accountant, make sure to bring in materials like your property tax bill. That can give professionals important information on your house. Or if you rent, make sure to bring in your SPAN number. The deadline to file is April 18th. Reporting in the studio, Sam Israel, ABC 22 News.